No. 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 Really? Like, no. I'm not a copycat, so no. That's why you have to stay tuned and find out the truth behind my haircut. Hi, welcome once again to Strand Styles and Beauty channel. So today I'm going to answer the most common question that was asked about my new look, which is why did I cut my hair? So if this is your first time of watching this channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up to support us, and you can also follow us on Instagram at Strand Styles and Beauty, and on Facebook Strand Styles and Beauty as well. Everything is just down below and in the description box. Let's go ahead with why. I apologize for any noise you hear from my child, my daughter. You know, this coronavirus period, corona vacation, and so she's here with me, and she's in the background playing and might even join us in this video. So why I cut my hair is in two phases. It was planned and it was unplanned. It was expected and it was unexpected. Now, it was expected because I planned to do so, but the problem is that I didn't plan to do so now, and so that's why it was unexpected. I'm just 1 week natural or 1 week with low cut, and I will tell you my reaction later. It was planned because I was transitioning to natural hair. So I got my last relaxer December last year, and I decided to use this year to transition to natural hair. I didn't plan to cut my hair now. I wanted to grow my relaxed hair out. That my natural hair will grow by December, which is 1 year. I will now cut off all my relaxed hair, and I won't be this low. I would have been twice as high, because that's what I plan to do, to go transition. Means that is to gradually go natural. That's, you have to cut off your relaxed ends to go natural. You can either do it by chopping everything at once at one go, or you gradually cut it as the year goes by or as the month goes by. Depends on how long you want to transition. And so this is decision I took to go natural. Talk about the reasons why I chose to go natural or to have natural hair in another video, so do stay tuned for that. The unplanned part, unexpected part, is that it all started with laziness. So the transitioning journey is not a very easy one. In fact, it's the hardest hair stage or something in hair care. That's between natural, relaxed, texturized, texlax, and all that. Transitioning hair is the hardest to take care of. So at a point, I've been doing it for 7 months now. Yes, 7 months. I was just for 7 months, and just got tired. I wanted to take a break. I wanted to start washing my hair like bi-weekly instead of weekly, which I do because I have to deep condition every week for my transitioning hair to be easily managed. However, due to this coronavirus, money has not been flowing as well, because I work in a school, and school has not resumed, and so I haven't been paid salary for quite some time, and in a bid to save money, I decided to reduce how many times I use my product. So from weekly to bi-weekly, because I'm taking care of my hair, I'm also taking care of my child's hair, and transitioning hair, I noticed, needs more product. Anyway, I'll cover that in another video totally on how to take care of transitioning hair, so do stay tuned. What this coronavirus did is that the economy is just somehow now, so the prices of products are also going up, and well, I had to save money as well, so I decided to do a protective style. Now, the protective style I chose was short box braids. If you're following me on Instagram, you will be aware when I did it. I've not braided my hair in like 5 years, and whether I forgot the reason why, well, after I did it, my hair actually, I experienced more hair breakage. Number one, the person who did my hair held my hair tightly, not too tight. At first she held it too tightly, then I told her it was still too tight. I just said, let me just do something that will make me not to touch my hair for 2 weeks. And so I did that protective style, and I had experienced more hair loss than my normal the normal shedding I had. And I said, this is 7 months. I've been doing fine in transitioning journey, and this happened to me. So my hair was dry as well. Usually I wig my hair, you know, just tie, thread it and wig, and that's how I go. But after I did this box braids, I experienced dry hair breakage, so I decided to do an intense moisture treatment by doing the aloe vera hair treatment, you know, to get my hair popping back and to try it on transitioning hair as well. I know it's very, very good on natural hair, and I decided to try it on my transitioning hair. That was a big mistake. Now, because I was tired as well, and as my friend, I got the aloe vera from my friend. It's a long story. To use the aloe vera as a pre-poo treatment before I wash my hair, you know, for 1 hour. But because I did it in the evening, I was tired. I did it on damp hair, and I made the biggest mistake of my life. I slept overnight with damp hair with the aloe inside. Oh my god. When I woke up in the morning to wash my hair, I first did the back section before I did the front section. So the front section got, it was this side, yeah, it got it loosened, you know, the pin just slipped off, and I think because water entered it. All I know is that next thing I saw a huge massive knot here. All this matted up, like it's crazy, seriously crazy, you guys. A huge knot, and I couldn't get it untangled. Like I couldn't, you know, detangle it. Oh my god, it was like the most horrible thing that's ever happened in my hair journey from when I was small up to this moment. I'm not kidding you. 30 years, and this is the first time. So I had to, you know, chop it off, and there was no how I was going to cut most of it out without cutting the rest of my hair. I told myself that I was going to cut it off anyway, so let me just cut it off now and see how I would like my short hair, and also learn how to take care of it. So that's how I just chopped everything off. So I got rid of all my relaxed hair, or nearly all, like 99%, because I think you see now there's one here. There are still some because it was an unprofessional haircut. So, I'm really grateful that I did cut it off. I'm 1 week now, and you know, I will learn how to take care of short hair as well and help others, because anyway, that was one of the reasons why I transitioned to natural hair as well. So I'll do cover more reasons in another video. So that's my hair was really unplanned. Cutting my hair now was really unplanned, but cutting my hair was planned. Okay, so I planned that December I will do my birthday, which is on 7th December. I will, you know, for my photo shoot, I usually do birthday photo shoot every year. So I planned getting my friend to cut my hair and doing the whole reveal thing and taking professional photos and everything. But this coronavirus plus laziness plus aloe vera plus I don't know, no money, made me to do it now, and all my plan crashed. Anyway, I don't regret it anyway. So I still can't believe I'm rocking this hair, and I'll tell you people's reaction to it. Some were really funny and some were, everybody was shocked. I'm not lying. Well, I'll talk about it in another. Thanks for watching this video, and tell me what you think of my new look in the comment section below. I would love to hear it. So do take care. God bless you. See you in my next video. Say bye. Say bye. Bye.